This weekend, I decided to learn augmented reality, not because I had to, but because I was curious. I opened Snapchat Lens Studio with zero experience and gave myself one weekend to see what I can actually build. If you're ever a developer who ever looked at AR and thought, that looks cool, but probably not for me, this video is for you. AR has this reputation of being complicated, like you need to be a 3D artist or some kind of wizard. So instead of overthinking it, I decided to test that assumption. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to approach learning AR, what broke, what clicked, and what surprised me the most as a developer. But once I actually sat down with Lens Studio, I realized it was just another system. Scenes, assets, logic, events, stuff developers already understand. So I gave myself a constraint, one weekend. No courses, no pressure, just enough time to see if I could really build something. Not perfect, just functional. The first few hours were confusing. Things didn't animate, objects didn't behave, scripts failed silently. But if you ever debugged code before, this part felt familiar. Break it, inspect it, fix it, repeat. That's when things started clicking. This is what I ended up building. It's simple, but it works. And seeing it run on my phone for the first time, that's when it hit. That's when I felt confident. AR isn't magic, it's front-end thinking, but in 3D. State changes, user input, visual feedback. If you can learn frameworks, you can learn AR. Learning AR forces you to think visually and logically at the same time. It makes you better at problem solving. And from a portfolio standpoint, an AR project immediately stands out because most people never even try. If you're a developer watching this, don't overthink it. Pick a weekend, pick a tool, build something small. If you want more videos like this, learning new tools, building projects, and documenting the process, like that video and subscribe. This was just one weekend experiment and I'm just getting started.